this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you some watercoloring techniques on this card using the Gorgeous Leaves bundle. So this is the Gorgeous Leaves bundle. It has this lovely stamp set with these fun leaves and splatter stamps and this wood grain stamp. And then the dies have these fun extra dies that cut out intricate leaves and doubles of these two leaves, so that's nice. Less times through the die cutting machine, and branch, and then these three leaves cut out these leaves. So I'm gonna show you how to create a collage background, and it's really easy and really fun. It's like creating your own designer series paper. And so I have a piece of basic white that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and I'm gonna use a piece of scrap paper. You always want a piece of scrap paper when you're doing a collage. And I'm gonna use Misty Moonlight and Soft Succulent. I just really love this color combination, and I've used it on all of the gorgeous leaf cards that I'm doing. So you will see these colors. So I'm gonna start with the large leaf, and I'm just gonna stamp full strength, just randomly around the card, and then clean this off. Nice and squeaky clean. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this stamp also in Misty Moonlight, and just kind of stamp it around. I'm going to do one over here, and then I think that's good. Okay, and now I'm going to do some Soft Succulent with this leaf. So one over here, one peeking out over here. And here, and then up here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the splatter stamps. These are my favorite. They're super fun. And I'm gonna stamp off because I don't want them to be quite dark. Oh, maybe I'm not, because that's really light. So I'm just gonna go full strength and just kind of add them on top and over and wherever. Maybe do this one again. And then up here, and then maybe over here. And then I think that's good. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the smaller splatter stamp in the Misty Moonlight and just kind of fill in some more spots, some more blank spots. Just have this all over. Super fun. Okay. And then I'm gonna add, I'm just using all of the stamps in this stamp set. I'm gonna add some of these little leaves that are just kind of falling. Whoops, got myself. Just kind of falling all over here and over here, maybe here and here. This is like the perfect stamp set to create this fun collage background. Okay, so now I've gotten that. I'm going to use the Misty Moonlight on this die from the Hippo and Friends dies. And I'm just gonna stamp the wood grain a couple times to kind of give it a nice little background. I'm just gonna try to line that up a little bit. Nice. Okay, so now I can just put the card together. So I have this leaf that I actually cut out of another card tutorial that I did. So I saved it, and I'm going to use it on this card. So don't forget to use all your pieces that you cut out. I'm going to use my sponge and some liquid adhesive and just sponge this on here. Just fast and easy. Oh, and I got a little bit of blue on it. Well, that'll just add to the leaf. So maybe use a clean sheet of scrap paper so you don't get any ink on it. All right, so now I can grab my card base, which is Thick Whisper White, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. And I'm going to attach this to Soft Succulent 4 by 5 1/4. And this is on dimensionals and this is on dimensionals. So just pop some dimensionals on here. And just center this on the card like so. So pretty. And then just add your leaf. And then if you want to, you could add a sentiment, but I just like it as is, so I didn't add a sentiment. I can add one later or just stamp a sentiment inside. So I'm offering a free card kit when you place a $50 order using my current hostess code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Gorgeous Leaves card kit. You see how I did different colors here? It's kind of fun. And I will send you the card kit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on the Gorgeous Leaves bundle. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the cards from the Gorgeous Leaves bundle, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.